Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Dropbox for AI document summarization automation, full guide step by step. First, navigate to the Dropbox website and log in to your account. Once logged in, locate the settings menu by clicking on your profile icon in the top right corner. In the settings menu, select the security tab from the options available. Scroll down to find the linked apps section. Here, you will see a list of apps currently linked to your Dropbox account. To authorize a new application for AI document summarization, click the Connect Apps option. A list of supported applications will appear. Look for the summarization tool you intend to use and click on it for additional details. Review the permissions that the app requests. Make sure the app's permissions align with your needs for document summarization. If you are satisfied, click the Authorize button to proceed. You may be asked to log into the application for further verification. Follow the prompts to complete this process. Once authorized, go back to the Dropbox homepage. You can now upload the documents you wish to summarize. After uploading, access the AI summarization tool. In the tool, select the Dropbox integration option. Grant the tool permission to access your uploaded documents. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the integration. The tool will now be able to retrieve documents directly from your Dropbox for summarization. You are now set up to automate document summarization using Dropbox. Monitor the process to ensure everything is running smoothly. Make adjustments as necessary in the settings of either your Dropbox or the summarization tool. You are ready to enjoy seamless AI document summarization using your Dropbox integration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.